So hello friends, today we are going to make Harry Potter's wand as you can see here. The materials for this will be a paper, a glue stick, an earbud and a rubber band. Okay, now let's start to make the wand. First, take the earbud. Pause. Okay, so let us start making this. Now, take this earbud over here like this. Place it over here. Should be a little bit. Now, take the earbud like this and roll it inside the paper like this. Now start rolling this paper inwards. Yes. Now take this glue stick. Should be open a bit because you don't want to leave the end of the your wand so that it just spirals up again. Cover it in glue stick and now stick it like this. Your wand is almost ready now. Now what you need to do is, wands don't usually have it like this, right? So you need to just put it inside, just like this. Yeah. Yes. Now take this rubber band and tie it around the wand in any way which you like. Lengthen it out a bit and bravo, your wand is now ready. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, learned something new, and now last but not least, signing off, Neil Naveen.